focus.
Janaya!
Alam mo, problema sa akin.
Janaya!
Down. Ang daan. Ay.
Can I put this on you?
Oh, put it.
You're so cute.
Morning. Dali. Go, follow ate lang. Go.
So water. Hello.
Hello.
The water is this like me. The water is here. You're so cute. Alam, galing mo makeup mo. Yay.
Thank you. Wow.
Hi, welcome to the Water Fun Zone. Wow. Teacher lives Kalisha. So what is Agway's favorite? Reuse and recycle. Give yourself a big round of applause.
Yay! Clap your hands. Clap.
Alright, that is our story for today, and hopefully kids and your parents will be able to help clean the ocean. So now we have a quick activity for all the kids. So if you can have the kids come here up front.
Go. Go there.
Konting stretching lang for the kids.
Go.
We're gonna do a quick song and dance.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Go na! Yay! Thank you!
Our next winner is
Yay! Natalia! Yeah.